today I am giving up complete control over to AI. So I used Wizard AI to help me choose my makeup, literally foundation, blush. What else we have? Concealer. We got a little bit of everything. And if these recommendations are actually good, this might just change the way that I shop for makeup. Today's video is sponsored by Wizard AI, which is completely free to use. Wizard AI is a shopping agent that takes all the stress out of shopping. You are online scrolling, trying to find that perfect product. Well, Wizard AI said, girl, I got you. All you have to do is type in exactly what you're looking for, and Wizard will search customer reviews, trusted articles, as well as give you the best recommendations in just seconds. Today, we're putting it to the test. Can AI actually build me an amazing makeup routine? Grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. All right, girls, let's start shopping with Wizard AI. Instead of spending forever scrolling the reviews and trying to compare products myself, I am going to let Wizard AI do all the research for me, okay? I'm going to be really specific because that's how Wizard works best. I am going to type in a full coverage foundation for oily skin with a natural matte finish under 65. A girl is on a budget. And within seconds, Wizard AI searches customer reviews, trusted articles, and recommended products that actually fit what I'm looking for. And I like that it doesn't just throw random products at you. It actually explains why each recommendation matches your search. Okay, now let's find a cream blush. We're transitioning to fall, so I want a matte bouncy blush, especially for me that I'm oily. And it gave me obviously a few recommendations based on what I asked. And I think I'm gonna go with the Rare Beauty one because it has great reviews and the price is not bad. Now, let's say I'm torn between two blushes because I am an indecisive girly. I can instantly turn this into a poll and send it to my friend, my sister, or whoever you trust your makeup with. Then everyone can vote before I buy anything. Honestly, I think that is such a fun feature because sometimes I need another girl's input, you know? And so after that, I had Wizard build an entire makeup routine using these searches, and I let the AI agent also purchase them for me. So let's see how Wizard did. And of course, with the power of editing, we have now received our items. So we have, oh, it's not me showing my address. We now have our package here delivered. I love that you can check out through the website, and if you ever need to return anything, just go to your local store wherever you bought it and return it straight through there. I personally ordered everything from Ulta because a girl likes to get her points, and also it's just easy and convenient. I wanted to see if Wizard AI could give me a really specific foundation. I was looking for a matte foundation, something that was going to be full coverage, that was going to be long wearing. And as you guys saw in the B-roll, it actually recommended the Rare Beauty foundation, which I already had. So I was like, okay, I trust this so far because I've had this in my collection for maybe a few months and I've been using it a lot during the summer. It's matte, it's creamy, it's full coverage. So 1 point for Wizard AI so far. Literally, if you want a foundation that's going to be full coverage, this is going to be it. And honestly, this foundation transitions beautifully into fall because I personally feel like fall we should wear more matte foundations versus the summer you want to wear skin tints, BB creams, CC creams, all that stuff. But for the winter, girl, give me the full coverage, give me the matte skin. It just looks so beautiful. Next item is the concealer, and it chose the Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer. I have actually never tried this before, so I am very curious to see exactly how this will work, and hopefully I got the right shade. I was lucky enough to get a little concealer brush with my purchase. I was like, okay, that is definitely an extra, right? Like, I will not complain about a free product. So she's definitely a little light, which is exactly why I wanted to order my products from Ulta. In case I needed to exchange the color, I can easily do that. I'm gonna go in with a brush and I'm gonna start tapping it in. Oh, that blends so nice. Super easy, like almost no effort at all. Oh, okay. It feels hydrating underneath the eyes, which is exactly what I wanted. Being realistic, I know that there's no concealer that is ever not going to crease because it's just life. Like, hello, we have creases underneath our eyes. Like, no amount of concealer or nothing will ever stop that. And I get it, but I just wanted to try. 2 points for her so far because foundation looks really pretty and the concealer looks really good so far. Let's move on to our next product, which is going to be blush. I have been wanting just a more berry tone blush, and now that we are transitioning into the fall, so I picked the color Divine because I wanted a matte blush. You guys know me, I just love matte blushes. So the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Matte, and again I chose the shade Divine because I just wanted something a little more berry tone. I just feel like those colors really go with me. I'm such a creature of habit and I always go for like pinks and corals, but today we're stepping out of our comfort zone. Okay, so let's go in with a little brush. You know what? I'm going to take this one from Mr. Mario. Oh, that texture is, yeah, definitely a little bouncy, but very, very creamy and velvety. Oh my gosh. That is exactly the color that I was hoping for. It is a perfect in between, like berry, pink. It's not too wine and it's not too deep. It is the perfect fall color. I'm so excited to transition into the fall, y'all. Oh my gosh. And this blush is doing it for me. Ah, I love this. I've been looking for the best like waterproof slash transfer proof eyeliner, not only for myself, but as a makeup artist. I have tried, I feel like, different brands, and I have yet to find one that I'm like, this is the one. So of course I had to ask Wizard AI, like, girl, give me a recommendation for a really good eyeliner that's waterproof, transfer proof, that's the word. So it recommended the Lancome Lee Stylo waterproof. I picked up obviously the shade Black. This is Intense Matte, and it has really good reviews according to Wizard AI. A lot of people rave about this. Honestly, Lancome is like one of the brands that I'm not familiar with at all, so let's see what it's all about. This is actually a dual-sided brush, so one side comes with a little sponge where you can smudge it out, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's test this out. Okay, so first impressions, super creamy. I'm going to use the other side, the little sponge, and I'm going to smudge that out. And then I'm going to drag this out. I'm going to go back with my little concealer brush that I used earlier. I'm just going to clean it up, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm just going to finish off with this other eye. Super cute. I kind of like this like very simple eyeliner. What do we think? Let me pop on some lashes. Just for funsies, I'm also going to throw the eyeliner bottom waterline because obviously that is where I will use it the most. So far, I really like this eyeliner. Let's move on to the second to last product. We have here lips. I wanted something that was velvety, creamy, and that was really going to be nice on my lips. I feel like my lips are pretty wrinkly, so I wanted something that would combat that, and I got the Powder Kiss Hazy Matte Lipstick from MAC in the shade Teddy 2.0. Now, MAC lipsticks are something else. They're so nice. Let's apply this. Ugh, look at this packaging. It's just giving luxe. So cute. Look at her. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I have a feeling I am going to be obsessed with this. Let's go right in. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so velvety. Last but not least, it's the setting spray. Of course, all of this work means nothing if we're not going to set our skin properly. I asked for it to give me a good setting spray that is going to be humidity proof and heat resistant because I live in Houston, y'all. It has been crazy hot, like 110 degrees. Like, hello? Who do you think you are, weather? Okay. But what do we do? So we're going to test this out. This claims to have up to 24-hour wear, waterproof, flake proof, crack proof, smudge proof, fade proof, sweat resistant, and transfer resistant. It's not sticky, non cakey, non greasy, no residue, blurred look, cool skin, locks makeup, hydrates, intensifies makeup, refines pore appearance. Whew, that is a long list of claims. So let's test her out. I have not used this in years. It's been years since I've used Urban Decay. And here is the final look. Honestly, I added a little bit more blush because it was just perfection and I could never go wrong with more blush. So if you ask me, can AI pick good recommendations for makeup? Absolutely, yes. So if you are like me and you're tired of spending hours on end shopping online without getting what you look for, then definitely check out Wizard AI. The more that you are specific with it, the smarter it gets. You can literally ask it just like very specific questions down to the color of your skin tone, the color of your eyes, and it will give you the best recommendations based on customer reviews. If you're balling on a budget like me, Wizard AI is completely free to use. Yes, girls. So I will have my link in the description box down below. Let me know, what do you guys think? Did Wizard AI completely slay my makeup or what? Because hello, my skin is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.